look at how to play Mantra by Sam Fender, standard tuning and capo on the first fret. The main riff starts off with this D-sus2 add 11 chord. Sounds really tricky, but it's actually just a C major chord moved up 2 frets. So relative to capo, we've got 5th fret on the A string, 4th fret on the D, and 3rd fret on the B string. Open G, open high E. So we're going to play the whole chord. I'm going to put our pinky finger down on the D string at the 5th fret, pull off the 4, catch 5th on the A. So that, so far. I'm going to catch the high E string, B, G. And then we're going to strum up, down, up. We're going to aim mainly for the high strings. Now repeat exactly the same for the second bar. To an A minor 7 chord, so it's your standard A minor chord, pinky finger on the high E string at the 3rd fret. For the first strum, we're going to strum the A, D and G strings, then we're going to do a full strum through all the strings, catch your 2nd fret on the G, high E, B, G, so. Then we go up, down, up strum, so. The second time through the A minor chord is exactly the same, we just end it slightly differently. We start off with the low bass note strums. You can just pick the A string if you prefer, then a full strum through all the strings, then the G, high E, B, G, and instead of the up, down, up straight away, we're just going to move that 2nd finger to the 2nd fret of the A string, get that B note as our bass note run, then the up, down, up, then we go to a C chord. So far we've got this, the D-sus2 add 11, and down to our A minor 7 chord, and the A minor 7 chord with the little bass run. Now onto our C chord. For the C chord we strum down, down, up, then we're going to play the B string, pull off to open from 1st fret, and then we're going to strum down, up with the 1st finger off. So. Then we go to our G chord, it's just a standard G shape, full strum down, pick open D, open B, 1st fret on the B. I'm going to grab the high E string at the 3rd fret, fingers already down, and strum down, up. Go to our F chord, F major 7. So I like to play the F here with the thumb over the top of the 1st fret. 3rd finger, 3rd fret the A, pinky finger, 3rd fret the D, 2nd finger, 2nd fret the G, 1st finger, 1st fret the B, and an open high E string. I'm going to strum down, down, up. We've got open to 2nd on the G string, hammer on. Catch the B string at the 1st fret there. Play the open high E string. Back to our C chord, single strum down, standard C shape. And I'm going to play 1st fret on the B, pull off to open, grab the open G, 2nd fret on the D, open B. So just through that little section there, we've got the C chord, G, then we go to a G chord. For the G chord, we're going to strum down, 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 up, down. One more time. Down, 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 up, down. On our next up strum, we're going to hammer onto the B string at the 1st fret from open. Catch the high E string on its own, and then strum down, up on the G, B, and high E strings. That bar sounds like this. We then stay on G for another bar. We've got down, 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 up, down, up. So down, 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 up, down, up. And then we've got this little run. 3 on the E, open A, 2nd fret on the A. Then we're back up to our main chord. And we go into the verse. So for the whole intro slowly, we have the D chord, then the A minor chord, A minor chord with the run, we go to C, G, F, and then C, and the G, G, then the run. The chord progression for the verse is very similar to the intro riff. After the D and A minor chords, we're just going to sit on each of the chords for a little bit longer, and there's also a slightly different ending riff too. For the verse, we have exactly the same for the D and the A minor chords as the intro. So we start off with a D, and the A minor, then we go to the C chord. We're going to add our pinky finger at the high E string at the 3rd fret, and we've got a similar strumming pattern to what we've used before. We're going to aim for the bass notes to start with, then a full strum through, and catch a G, high E, B, G, and then the up, down, up strums. So, same for the G, same for the F. Back to the C for a second time without the pinky finger this time, same strumming. You'll notice on the song sometimes Sam's just strumming these chords. Personally, I prefer the sound with the picked, so I use that a lot. We just play that too, so either or, whatever you prefer. And then we have a little riff for the verse ending. We're going to play G, F, C, G, then repeat it. So we've got to start with the G, we've got a down strum, then an up strum, which will immediately kill the pressure. So I'm going to use a little slap to mute that. Then we go to an F chord. You can use an F major 7 if you prefer. We've got down, down, up. So we've got. Then we've got a little riff. We play open B, hammer onto 1st fret, back off to open. We've got 3rd fret on the D, back to 1st fret on the B. So. But then we go to our C chord. And we've got the same rhythm as we used for the G chord to start. So that down, up with a slap stop. Then to a G, I'm going to strum down, down, and on our up strum, I'm going to hammer onto the 1st fret of the B string with the 1st finger there. Take it off to strum down again. So for that last bar there. So the whole verse ending slowly is G, F, little riff, C, G. Repeat that exactly the same a second time. For the solo section, we're going to strum C for a full bar. And we're going to go to C with a G in the bass for a full bar. Then we go to a G, same rhythm as we used for the verse ending. F, C, and then we repeat. The song fades out repeating the D sus2 add 11 chord and the A minor 7. 2 bars of each. So. Enjoy jamming along with another absolutely fantastic Sam Fender song. For more Sam Fender tutorials, check out this playlist here. If you've got any tutorial requests, let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.